end screen I used to tell your viewers, don't go anywhere, I got more for you. Or better still, where do you think you're going to? Have you seen this? Don't mind me. End screen I used to optimize your channel, hereby bringing a video that your viewers might have not seen before to their screen so that they get to view your video. That is to say, end screen is being inserted just before the end of your video. Let's say like 20 seconds, 10 seconds before the end of your video. So they get to see it before the end of your video and decide on whether to watch it or not. So it's a very good way of optimizing your channel. There are so many things you can add as your end screen. You can add a previous video as your end screen. You can add a link as your end screen. You can add the subscription button. You can add the subscription button as your end screen depending on what you want to do. Hi, welcome to our beginners class. It's a girl Linda as usual, and today we're going to take tutorials on how to add end screen to our videos. Now, for this tutorial, we're going to be using the YouTube Studio desktop, not the normal YouTube Studio app on our phone, but the YouTube Studio desktop, which you find mostly from your Chrome browser. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. So you go to your Chrome browser, you click on it, click on add YouTube Studio desktop. Yeah, desktop sites, login. Then when you get to this place, you click on the second icon by the left. That's contents. Okay, then you choose any of the contents there, the one you want to add end screen. You know, most of all my contents, in fact most of my content already have end screen. So okay, let me go to the second one. Good. Now this is where to add end screen. Swipe like this, then you come to this part, you come to this place. This is where they said end screen, this one here. Then you click on it. When you click on it, you can see that I already added two end screen, this one and this one. Now let me remove it. Let me see the videos first before I remove it. How to use YouTube music, copyright, okay, CapCut, okay. Okay, let me remove them. Delete this one too. Delete. Good. So here you click on this element here. You click on it. It gives you video playlist, subscribe channel. You click on video. Now YouTube automatically adds your most recent upload. Now if you don't want your most recent, that's the last video you posted. If you don't want your most recent upload, you come down, you come to this place, the third one here. As you want to customize the particular video you want there, you come and click on the third one. When you click on it, it will give you options of videos in your channel. So you scroll. I think this was what was there before. You choose. Are you saying? Most time I choose just I add only two. Sometimes I add three, depending. I add two or three, one of the two. So you can add as much as you want, but our advice, it shouldn't be more than three or at most four, but it will look crowded. But anyway, with time, when you go and watch it, you will know the one that is best for you. So let's add the second one. Okay, maybe let me decide to add playlist. This time around, I'm not adding video. I want to add playlist. This is beginners class. Now this is a comprehensive. Is it comprehensive? English, eh? This is the full videos in my playlist. I did 10 videos. I just added it there. So if the person decides to click on my playlist, the person gets to see all the videos and choose the particular one they want to watch. You get, so I just added it there. Now you can also add, let's try, we've tried video, we've tried playlist, let's try subscribe. Now you're saying this one will give you the option to subscribe on my channel. When it comes to the end of the video, I don't want it to cover, because I know that this particular video, the head will be my head will be somewhere here, so I don't want this thing to cover. So I'm going to just put it down instead of putting it here. It's not gonna cover my head, the head of the main video. I'll just put it somewhere here. Yeah, let's check another one again. Channel. search for channel. I don't have another channel linked to this channel. If I had another channel, let me look for my friend's channel. Since I don't have a second channel linked to this, let me change to Juliet. Yeah, this is my friend's channel. See, I've added the channel to it. You can see. So I can decide to even carry this one like this. Put it. So after I've added that, then I'll shift it so they will not overlap. My friend's channel is here. You can use this probably if you talked about your friend's channel, you want people to go and subscribe there. You write what you want them to do on your friend's channel. Subscribe. Let's see, subscribe here. Done. You get. So depending on what you want to say, I don't want a playlist. Okay, let me leave the playlist. Let me just leave this ones like that. So yeah, it's that simple. And you save. After doing everything, you save it. Once you save it, you're done. You go to YouTube and watch your video, then you see it at the end of your video. So let's go and watch the video. Let's go and check the video on YouTube. So I think this is it here. Have you been posting quality? Let's go to the end. Goes.
Hey, you guys, listen, you just saw all these incredible testimonials and stories of people that...
You are not going to put it on 5 years ago. Not go and... Yeah. Oh, did I just miss that? I hope time of coming across up. So this is how it will look at the end of your videos. Can you see? Can you see that? This is how it looks at the end of your video. Because you can see that this one is now, before it was not playlist, but because I changed and saved it, now it's not showing playlist. So this is how it looks at the end of your video. I hope you enjoyed today's class and I hope you learned a thing or two from it. If this is the first time of coming across my video, welcome to the family. It means subscribe. So don't forget to like, share, comment. If there's anything you want me to talk about, do leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than willing to talk about it. And it's good to have you in today's class. As usual, I'll see you in my next class. Bye-bye.